Get some good rest, okay? Okay. Alright, well, I will see you after nap, and hopefully that you wake up in a good mood, because you didn't wake up in a good mood this morning because, you know, one of your sisters, they did something mean to you and you didn't really like it, so you woke up in a bad mood. So hopefully you wake up in a good mood. Okay. Alright, good night. Good night. Mommy? Yes? Why do I still sleep in a crib? I really don't know. But all the other beds are taken up. Okay. Alright, good night. Good night. There you go. Now it's time to do some laundry. Uh-oh. Okay. Put it in the dryer. Alrighty, let's wake her up. Rosa, wakey wakey. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Now let's get you out of bed here. Hopefully you wake up in a good mood. Did you? Yeah. Okay, alright. I'm gonna make your bed for you. Mommy, you fold those blankets nicely. Thank you, Luna. Okay, alrighty. My nose itches a lot. My nose is so itchy. Oh, ew, my nose is dripping. Ew. I get to go get a tissue. Oh, it's dripping. Ew, yucky. Okay, I need a tissue. Okay, perfect. I got it out. Oh, hi, Luna. Hi. Oh, my nose itches. My nose is very much. What's wrong? My nose is really itches. It is very itches. It's really itchy. You have a booger on your face. It really itches. Get that booger off your face. I think I'm about to sneeze. Better not sneeze on me. Achoo! Oh. I told you not to sneeze on me. Oh. That's it. I'm going into the bath. This is so gross. My nose is itched. Rosa, I heard like a huge sneeze, and why is your sister colored in goo? Oh, Rosa sneezed on me. Ew. Oh, ew. Oh, okay. All right, let's get this off you. Oh, okay. I need to wash my hands. Ew. Honey, you're gonna make her sick. I'm sorry. Oh, honey, you're gonna make her sick. You're gonna make me sick. I'm sorry. Okay, well, you are getting a timeout because you just sneezed all over your sister. It was an accident. I don't care, you're still getting timeout. Alrighty, let's put you in the bath. Okay, so we just got her all dressed and Rosa's in timeout. And what do you want to do? Now, I probably should watch you closely because I think that Rosa is sick and we don't want you to get sick because just sneezing on somebody can give them an infection. So we probably do not want to be around other sisters because that'll make them sick too, even though we just washed all the germs off. So there probably should be a little bit more germs on your body. So like permanent germs, maybe. So yeah, just don't go around sisters, and you need to be careful because you don't want to get other people sick, and you probably will get sick later because it takes a while for an infection to get inside of your body. So you probably will get sick at a time where you probably don't expect it, but so yeah, and you can just sit in your bed and alrighty. So now let's put this in the washer because it has glue all over it. So let's put this in here. It's the tiniest outfit. Okay, so Rosa, now that you are out of timeout, you can go back in your car and make sure to not be around too many sisters because you can make them sick. And and plus, I'm actually leaving today. I am leaving, so basically, yeah, and I don't want to go to the hospital with you guys because I am leaving and I cannot handle going to the hospital and leaving where I need to go at the same time. So that cannot happen. So just make sure to not be around too many sisters, okay? Okay. Alrighty. Alright. What a day.